Kasama natin ang ating best player of the game, Chef's Magic player of the game, Mateo Carpio. And together with the whole Davao Microsmith team, Mateo, ang ganda ng pinakita mo. You had 7 straight scoring in the first quarter. How did you end up doing that?
Well, yun yung sinasabi ni coach na mag-focus lang tayo na even if mag-error tayo, focus lang sa game. Kaya pag may focus tayo, makascore agad.
Tapos sa first quarter no, nakahabol yung kalaban nyo, yung design build. How did you maintain composure na pagdating ng second, nakabawi kayo agad?
Yun lang sabi din ni coach, mag-calm lang kami, tapos listen lang sa mga play.
Of course, you have your teammates here, your family. Do you have any shoutouts?
Sila po lahat na nandito sila, makulit po, sorry. Pero salamat lang kay Papa God, tapos kay Papa ko wala dito.
There you have it.